Hello guys, welcome all of you to today's Farmcast. And first of all, I would like to apologize to all of you for not being able to post Farmcast for last 1 month, as I'm out of India for some work and I don't have any access here, right, to record these Farmcasts. But I could not have let myself not post a Farmcast on the eve of New Year. So I made some arrangements, guys, to record one here, and it might not be as perfect as I used to record back in India, but you have to bear with me. And first of all, guys, I'd like to wish you all a very happy new year. And I wish all of you that in this new year, guys, all of you get whatever you desire, including your branch of choice, place of choice, your bride or groom of choice, and everything. Whatever you desire, you might get it. And I know what you guys might think, that what is there to be happy about this new year, isn't it? Right, that is a thing that might be running in all of our mind. And as Corona has changed the way altogether we used to live our lives, and it's still changing, I would say. Your exams are delayed, and we don't know yet when it's going to happen. So you might be thinking, sir, what is there to be happy about it? But remember, guys, one thing, guys, which is the fuel. The fuel on which the world runs is known as hope. So never let that hope die inside you, and keep watering it, right? The plant of your hope. Keep watering it every day, guys. And believe me, this is not the first pandemic, as all of you know, and certainly this won't be the last one, right? So what we should do is, we should not stop living our life because of all of this. We should keep moving ahead with our plans. We should keep moving ahead with our lives, with obviously with caution and precautions, etc., which we need to take. And I would say you must celebrate this new year, right, with your near and dear ones, and take a day off and reboot yourself. So give that one day to yourself, guys, right? And then come back after the new year celebration, re-strategize your moves, and then move ahead towards your exam. Today, guys, I won't load you with any information of pharmacology. I don't want to do that. It is just a session where I'll be talking to you guys, and it is just a session where I wanted to wish you guys a very happy new year. And I wanted to let you know that I'm always there for you, and it's just a farmcast to uplift your mood. And though I'll be discussing few questions asked by the students in the last farmcast, right? So on that aspect, everything would be same, except I have decided not to discuss anything from pharma in this new year. I don't want to give you new information. I just want to give you a few minutes of soul satisfaction through this farmcast, right, guys? So I'll be discussing few questions which have been asked by the students, and one of them, it has been asked by Dr. Sachin Kumar. So I'm a final year student. I have OCD from first year since I got breakup, and from that time itself I focused on my studies, leaving all things behind. But sir, I have so many problems due to OCD. One is, I'm not able to write anything while studying. I never made any notes, due to which I always have to study more number of times the same thing. I have to give this FMG December 2021, and I'm giving my best in studies, but I always forget not getting good marks in GDs, and what to do as I'm not able to write notes. Alright, Sachin, you have to understand one thing, that is, one time writing is equal to 5 times reading, right? So if you don't write down notes, so that is detrimental. And I've said it time and again that where the printed notes are important. So you are one of the case where the printed notes which are provided by different platforms, including Marrow, it becomes a boon, right? Because you cannot write because of your problem, whatever you're having. And in that case, what you can do is you can just underline the notes, write down few points here and there you go. You have a ready-made notes. So that I say for interns as well. For example, an intern does not have much time to write down notes. You're less on time. You can use those printed notes. So nowadays, guys, life is much easier. You have access to anything and everything possible. You just have to select a particular tool that suits your need, and based upon that, you can move ahead. So Sachin, don't worry. See, nobody's life is perfect. Everybody has something or the other, right? So your pudding of life will never be always sweet. God is like that. He'll keep on putting some salt into your pudding of life, right? So it will never be always sweet. And so despite all these problems in our lives, right, we have to keep moving ahead. You have to keep re-strategizing your move. So you can do that. All right, guys. Parul Parul V is asking, sir, after the INI result came, I reset my Merocue bank in sudden impulse, and now I'm having palpitations because all my modules have become zero. I could not sleep properly thinking about this, sir. Please help. See, Parul, you guys are having modules and all, and now you can have something to track. We did not have anything, these kind of things when we were preparing, right? And believe me, these things, they do not matter at all. I mean, the most important thing is your notes. So you need to keep revising notes, and you need to keep solving MCQs for just one reason, that your exams are MCQ based. Apart from that, right, these are not medals, and there's not medals of your achievements which you need to keep looking every day. So forget about it. It does not matter. Don't take it deep into your heart. So just what you need to do is stick to your plan. So you must be having a plan, right? What you need to do for the next 2 to 3 months. Stick to your plans. Go through your theory. You see, the crux, the most important thing going forward would be, right, repetition, revising your notes time and again. Guys, I'm a kind of person who is always bullish on notes. It does not mean that I'm saying don't solve MCQs. MCQs are equally important, but only notes or only MCQs would be detrimental. So keep revising your notes around 60% to 70% of your times. 30% to 40% times give to your Q banks. So Parul, nothing has been lost. Just start solving MCQs. So you have your time. In this time, start solving MCQs and you'll be fine, believe me. All right. Hardeep Kumar is asking, sir, ads messages from different platforms to utilize their revision courses are very disturbing. Now that we have more time, should we utilize them or stick to revision from our notes from whatever institute we attended? Thank you. See, Hardeep Kumar, I'll give you my honest view on this. I mean, what I would have done. See, it is always important to realize that in the last 2 to 3 months before the exam, you should not go for anything. I mean anything new in this period. So what you need to do is you need to keep revising whatever you have studied that would increase your result in the exam. It will increase your performance in the exam. So what I would have done in your place is, in these last 2 to 3 months, I would not have touched anything new. Whatever notes I had, I would have revised those, and I would have kept solving MCQs. I hope that clears the air. Ratan Ram is asking, sir, I got 12K rank in INI CET. Before INI, I have read 16 subjects only and revised only 7 subjects. Sir, am I in the right path? Any chance of good rank in NEET PG? Ratan Ram, you're absolutely in the right path. 16 subjects you have read, revised only 7. Despite that, you have got a very good rank for that, whatever you have done. And going ahead, when you complete all the subjects and when you go through at least 2 to 3 revisions, believe me, you'll be under 3000 rank. So what you need to do is you need to keep believing in yourself, right? And when you believe that, yes, I can achieve that, you will work harder to get that goal, right? So do not stop believing in yourself. You are pretty much in the race. Mrunal Roham is asking, sir, drug of choice for SPMS is interferon beta or mitoxantrone? So SPMS and PPMS, for both interferon beta is drug of choice. PRMS, progressive relapsing multiple sclerosis, mitoxantrone is drug of choice. Right, PPMS, ocrelizumab is not the drug of choice. PPMS, SPMS, interferon beta is the drug of choice. Alright, guys. Alright. Shalima Jasmine. Alright, so this is not a query. Alright, guys. So coming to now last 2 queries. One query has been asked by a second year student. Sir, I have already studied the second year syllabus twice, and our college is planning to conduct university exams in April. So since I have 4 months extra, should I start revising first year or study third year subjects or revise second year only? Please guide, sir. Look, so what I would like to say that once you are a second year student and you are moving ahead in your life now, see what's awaiting you guys is next exam, right? So what I would have done in your place is I would have made sure that whenever I go to third year subjects, clinical subjects, my first year and second year subjects are solid. I mean, I would cover them as much as possible in the best possible way, have my notes ready, so that when I go to the final year and finally I'm going to get the give the next exam, I don't have to waste or devote too much time on pre and paraclinicals, right? So I could spend more time on medicine, surgery, obs, gynae, optha, ortho, ENT, etc. All of these, right? So what you need to do is, now you have 4 months extra time. So what you need to do is, you need to make sure that moving ahead, your second year subjects, right, like pharma, patho, micro, etc., you have good hold over those subjects. So please do not try to run ahead of yourself, right? Whenever you are in a particular year, try to make yourself as perfect as possible in that subject. So in these 4 months, please try to revise your second year subjects, give your exam well, and then moving ahead, you will have plenty of time to go through your third year subjects. All right, guys. So the last doubt for today, guys, is from a student who has asked, "Sir, I'm a dropper of 2 years. Last NEET, my rank was 20K, and even after preparing so much as I can get only 4K in this INICT, I stopped studying after that INICT results due to exhaustion. How to go about revision now, sir? My aim is to get MD Pediatrics." See, I would not say you have performed bad 4K in INICT, because the exam pattern was totally different. It is not that NEET pattern, so question patterns are different, right? And for that, we have a decent rank. And what you need to do is, see, exhaustion is there, I can understand, but it's almost like after giving an exam, it's almost like someone has punctured you, like you're a balloon and the gas has moved out, right? So what you need to do is, like, you can take rest for some time, then come back, re-strategize, make a new plan, and then move ahead. Because see, the only thing that can, you have got 4K in INICT, the only thing that can take you under 1K in NEET exam is revision, revision, and revision. So you need not do anything new, just keep revising whatever you have studied until now. So make a plan for 2 revisions minimum, 3 if possible, that small mini revision, and you will see that you'll get a good rank. Believe in yourself. So guys, I always tell you, believe in yourself. Never ever stop believing in yourself, because that faith in your abilities, right, that I can do this, I can get this rank, will take you to places, guys. Not only in this exam, in your life. Because see, this is just the beginning. This is not the end of your career. This is the beginning of your career. You'll try to do a lot of things. Might be open a hospital of yourself, or if you get radiology a center, the CT scan or MRI scan center for yourself. So you'll have to take a lot of risk in your life, and you cannot take that until and unless you believe in your abilities. So always believe in your abilities, guys, that I can do this, and I'm doing this because I will succeed in this. Then only, guys, you can make a difference in your life and life of others. So guys, that is what I wanted to discuss today. And today my main aim was to wish you guys Happy New Year. And I want that all of you guys should step into the new year 2021, right, with lots and lots of hope in your heart that the coming year would be better than the last one, and the coming year you will bring something new for all of you guys who have been working so hard. I wish all of you that you succeed in the coming year and get whatever you deserve. And alright guys, that's all for today. Happy New Year to all of you once again. I love you all, and lots of love and blessings from my side. Take care. Bye bye. This was Dr. Ranjan with you.